Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok no internet connection on iPhone iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you have open your mobile phone setting and check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And after this, go back, scroll it down. Now tap on General. Tap on iPhone storage, scroll it down. Now tap on TikTok app and tap on offload app. Click on offload app. After doing offload, you need to reinstall again and go back, scroll it down. Now tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and tap on reset network setting. And after doing reset network setting, you need to go back. Now tap on App Store. Tap on search bar and search TikTok app. Tap on open. Check for update. If not updated your app, you need to update your TikTok app. After this, go back. You need to open your TikTok app. And after doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.